Hello and welcome to a Mitsubishi Electric Quick Tips video. Today we're going to talk about how to jog an induction motor using a VFD with the FR PU07 parameter unit. The first step is to press the function button, FUNC. Next, press the down arrow once to select to PU operation. The third step is to press the read button. Press the down arrow once to select to jogging. Next, press the read button. And then to jog the motor forward, press and hold the forward button. The motor will jog forward. Release to stop. To jog the motor in reverse, press and hold the reverse button. The motor will jog in reverse. And release to stop. Press the X button to return to external mode.